All right, everyone. Just want to make a quick video here. I know some of you guys have been asking how to install the cap on the Perst 4. So I just want to give you a quick demonstration here. So here's the cap, and you'll notice here there's just a wider side. It has a wider diameter, and then there's an inner one. And so what we're going to do is we're going to use the thinner one, thinner side towards the glass, and what it's gonna do is it's gonna catch in between here in between the bezel. So we're just gonna go ahead and just start with one edge and then just press it in. Okay, so you're gonna feel it catch, and then you're gonna start working your way towards the center here. Need a little bit of force. What I like to do sometimes is just use a flat table and press it down. And if you can see here, it should be fully pressed in. Now to align it, there's two ways of going about that. So you can either use your thumbs to rotate it. And that might be a little tough. So what we can do is we can use a pair of needle nose pliers. Just grip the tip there and just make sure not to scratch the glass, and just rotate it. And so what I like to do is shine a light right into it. Let's see if I can get a light here. Okay. And what you'll notice, you can't really see it very well here in the camera, but you'll notice that the diodes will glow, and then you'll be able to align it there. Also, just going out and just testing it is another way to align it. So that's how you install the cap for this one. Okay. Now the other cap that the more recent one I've created, that one is a little different. It goes around the bezel. It's pretty simple. I think you guys can figure that one out. I'd recommend using the shiny part towards the glass that it's going to refract. It's going to cause more illumination in there. So use the shiny side towards the glass, and then go ahead and install this guy, and then just simply rotate it until you can see the diode. Now it's very important, make sure that it's off, or remove the battery. I don't want you guys blinding yourselves while you're doing this. And the cool thing is that once you have it installed, you can go out to the range or use your nods or whatever, and then just rotate it until you see the beam that you like. And that's it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Take care, guys. Merry Christmas. Bye.